Osumare the revered goddess of color, lived in the African village of Alkebula, where her people loved and worshipped her. She and her only daughter, Osumare shared the divine gift of bringing vibrant life and color to the world.
Here, I'll help you. There you go.
Osumare was wise beyond her years, assisting her mother in spreading harmony and guiding the villagers. One day, the people of Alkebula began stealing from one another and turning violent. Concerned for her people, Osumare sent her daughter to stop the chaos and restore peace.
Enough. The division ends here.
Several months passed, but then a messenger arrived with terrible news. He said,
Osumare, I am sorry to tell you that your daughter has been killed and desecrated.
Enraged with grief and fury,
Osumare descended upon the people of the village.
She banished all who had harmed her daughter from the lands of Africa, sending them to barren lands with no sun and no warmth.
Before doing so, he stripped them of the color from their once beautiful black and brown skin, condemning them never to reclaim the radiant hues of Africa again.